Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Carl from Cooking and Grilling with Carl. And in this video, I'm making for you a French toast recipe. So stay tuned, you don't want to miss it. Alright, let's go over the ingredients real quick. So the first thing that you're going to need some eggs. You're going to need a loaf of brioche bread. You're going to need sugar, heavy cream, whole milk, nutmeg, cinnamon, pure vanilla extract, salt, powdered sugar, some cooking oil, and some unsalted butter. Alright, the first thing you're going to start doing is cracking your eggs. Alright, next you want to add your whole milk. Now your heavy cream. Now we're going in with some pure vanilla extract. A couple of pinches of salt. Going in with our nutmeg. Or that might be cinnamon. And this is definitely the nutmeg right here, because you're going to do more cinnamon to nutmeg. Alright, right here we're going in with a few tablespoons of granulated sugar. And now you just want to whisk everything up and make sure everything is totally mixed together. Alright, next up you can buy this slice, but I bought it unsliced because I wanted it thicker. So yeah, you're just going to slice up your brioche loaf. And get your pan preheated. Get a little cooking oil in there. And also throw in about a tablespoon of butter. And once your pan is all hot, your oil's all hot. And just so you know, the reason I put the oil in and then the butter is to keep the butter from burning. But once you do that and everything is all hot, now you want to start dipping your French toast into your custard. And then right into your pan. Definitely try not to overcrowd the pan. So once you start to see a little bit of a crust on the edge, then you know it's time to flip it. Alright, so as you can see, that one is perfect. Just want to, the goal is to get the rest of them to come out looking like that. There's another one that's looking perfect. And these don't take long to cook, so you don't want to leave them in there cooking, and you don't want to put them in there and then go do something else and come back, because they don't take long to cook. Alright, so as you can see, the French toast is pretty much done. I just got one left to finish cooking after I flip it. But this is pretty much it. You know, this is the whole French toast recipe. It didn't take long at all. That's why this video is going to be so short. Not a lot to it. You know, you make your custard, you dip your French toast in it, and then you pretty much cook it and you're good to go. Here I'm just going to do a quick plate up with some powdered sugar, some fresh berries, and some fresh mint. But so I just want to thank you for coming to the channel once again. This is Chef Carl from Cooking and Grilling with Carl, and this is a simple French toast recipe that I made for you. So I just want to, if you can, please support the channel by subscribing. Also hit that notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos, and definitely smash that thumbs up, that like button. You know, I need all the support I can get, fighting to get to that 1,000 subscribers. And just easy way to support the channel. It doesn't cost you anything. You can also support me by joining my Facebook group on Facebook at Cooking and Grilling with Carl, and also on Instagram at Cooking and Grilling with Carl. And on that note, I say thanks again for checking out this video. God bless, and can't wait to see you on the next video. Peace.